Hello everyone, very good afternoon to you all. I've not been recording a lot of videos recently because I'm studying for my CFL level 2 and I am not getting that much of time out of work and studies. But recently I came across a lot of videos on social media talking about election strategy, election day, option buying strategy, and a lot of leverage, excessive leverage strategies that are being advised on social media. And I just wanted to make a video about specifically this huge election event that's happening in 2024, its impact on the stock market. This video is completely my personal opinion. I am not going to be suggesting you any trading strategy. So if you are here for a trading strategy, this is not the video for you. But if you want a breakdown of what's happening in the current election cycle and what's the impact going to be on the stock market and how I see things, my personal opinion about what's going on, then stay and watch this video till the end. Please understand the entire scenario and then you can make your own judgments. But my personal recommendation for all of you would be to don't take any trades during the elections. I'll put this out at the start of the video only. Now, coming back specifically on this election event, what now that 50% of or so of the election voting is done, what has happened is that the current ruling party, which is the BJP, has its stronghold in the northern side of India and not that stronghold on the southern parts of India in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and all of those states. Uh, so, if you can see, this has been a very good voter turnout in the southern parts of India and not such a good voter turnouts in the northern parts of India. What this means is that this election is going to the wire. So there's going to be a lot of uncertainty of who will come back in power and with what majority, and this uncertainty will be only unraveled post 4th or 5th of June when the election results are out. So please stay out of taking excessive leverage. This election is going to go to the wire till the very end moment. You are not going to know who's going to come in power and what's going to be the majority. That up ki bar 400 par ka nara is out of the window right now. Uh, we are not even certain that we are going to see a 300 kind of majority by the current ruling government. So please don't take excessive leverage. What I personally see happening, and this is a pure speculation, is that if 300 seats do come for the current ruling government, you're going to see a very strong response in the stock market. If that doesn't happen, uh, if it comes near 250 to 270, you need 270 or 272 odd seats to form the government in India. So if it comes around that 250 to 270 range, you might see a coalition happening between the current ruling government and some other parties to form a government and come back in power. But if there's going to be a government based or formed based on coalition, then I don't think it's sensible for the current prime minister to become prime minister again. He might assign that role to someone else in the BJP to become the prime ministerial candidate if it's going to be a coalition government, because it's too risky for him to take the prime ministerial seat. If it's going to be less than 250, then I think we might see a shift in power from the current ruling government to the opposition. But this is purely speculation, and the change in power might also impact negatively to the stock market in the short term. What I feel strongly is that, like I said, again, this is not a time for you to take leverage. Stay invested in the cash market. I'm not saying that you do a sell off. Just stay invested, but stay invested in cash market. Don't do that zero hero strategies for options. The election day out of the money option buying strategies, like people told during the budget season also. This is not the time for you to do that. VIX is at 20 or 23 range. It might shoot up to 25 as well just before the elections. After the elections, once the result is out, the VIX is going to fall to 12 and 10 range, and it's going to crush your premiums. So please be aware, don't take any leveraged positions. This is not the time to take leverage. I'm saying this again and again. um, Stay out of options, stay invested in the cash market. And if you want that, if you think that the market's going to go down or something, keep an opportunity fund ready, that if the market corrects very sharply, then you can put that money into good selective stocks that you hold in your portfolio. So keep some money out aside ready for such opportunities in the form of opportunity fund, but don't take any excess leverage. That was the only message of today's video, is that because a lot of people are propagating that, sell this option, buy this option, sell at this strike, buy at this strike, all of that nonsense. Those people who are making such kind of videos will make such kind of videos going forward as well. They will get their views. The people suggesting you all of these things will get their salary eventually, because that's what they earn. uh, they'll get their commissions properly. uh, Brokers will make their money through brokerage. It's you who's going to lose your money, hard earned money, out of your own pockets. So I feel this, please stay out of leverage. This is not the right time to take, because this is a very big election, very big event for 2024, and it's uncertain till the very last moment. So please don't take any leverage. That's it from my side for today's video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. If you want to know more about such stock market updates or anything related to personal finance, do subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you.